Hello pilot testers. Today I'm going to show you how to perform CHUM depth calibration. Let's go. To start, I'm going to place two markers on the cable. So I'm placing the 0 meter marker at some distance from the sensor. Similarly, I'm going to put another marker 10 meters from the first marker. I was using the cable marks which are numbered at 1 meter spacings. You may of course use a tape measure. So this is how the cable should look after we place two markers on it. Now I'm connecting the I cable on both sides. Note that I don't even have to connect the sensor, the orange cable. Now insert the sensor and lower it to the 10 meter marker. Start the CHUM software and select Settings, Depth Calibration. Select 10 meter spacing. Select First Time Calibration. Place the 10 meter marker on the top of the wheel. Click Next and begin pulling. While pulling, you will see the counts changing. Keep pulling until the 0 meter marker reaches the exact same point. Make sure to select Yes, Save and Finish. You have completed the CHUM depth calibration.